Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz Crosstar which we have in stock, covered in premium sunlight white color, which is nice. As you can see, it's really taking its shape out in the sunlight here in Lancaster today. In this video I'll be walking you around the car and showing you any wear and tear and the mileage on this car. So to start off with, we got this projector LED headlamps which are automatic. We've got front and rear parking sensors along with the LED fog light there. Nice little grille there. As you can see, the color is really lovely. Got 16-inch alloy wheels which are Berlina black, diamond cut as well. Silver wing mirrors there, roof railings on top, being a Crosstar signature. Do have keyless entry on this car on either side, which is nice. Second alloy there. Coming around to the back, do have reverse parking sensors along with the reverse camera just down there. LED tail lamps. Just show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space, as you can imagine, on the Jazz. You do have some storage space under here for your shopping. You do have a subwoofer on the back, being an EX trim. I'll just show you the seats as well. It's 60/40 split setting seat. It's a third alloy. The interior wise, it's covered in cloth fabric which is waterproof as well. Couple of USBs down there. You do have magic seats on the Jazz. So yeah, they go all the way up and you can just lock it and fold them down. There we go, nice and lovely. You can put your house plants in there. All 4 automatic windows as well. You have the keyless entry down here, and that's your 4th alloy there. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you inside. As you can see, the exterior is really mint. It's not been used that much. So you got folding wing mirrors as well. I'll show you working. So yeah, there we go. Do have all 4 automatic windows, like I said. Locking system there. Down here we got your parking sensors, Honda Sense, vehicle stability, and your headlight adjustability. Cup holder there, tons of storage space under there as well. You got multifunction steering wheel. So the car's done 19,897 miles, which is nothing for this Jazz. Auto headlights, auto rain sensing wipers. Multifunction steering wheel includes your Bluetooth hands-free function for your infotainment center there. You do have adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, which is nice. Just 2-spoke steering wheel. You do have heated seats for driver and passenger, which is nice. Automatic aircon as well. You do have a couple of USBs down there with a 12-volt socket up front. Some storage space under here. You do have a automatic gearbox. It's a reverse camera with 3 modes. You do have braking mode as well on this car for battery gen. ECON Mode, electric parking brake, and your brake hold. So yeah, the car was last serviced with us at 11,538 miles. The next service will be carried on by our Honda trained technicians down here. We do have sat nav as standard on this car, wireless Apple CarPlay as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. The car's here with us. Feel free to get in touch.